Room tour. Melting crayon pastel artwork. Vroom vroom poster. Moon pie decor. Horseshoe facing up for good luck, of course. Clock that's an hour ahead, cause I don't believe in daylight savings. Pencil sharpener. Tape. Nice little Philippines boat. Gee! Coca-Cola. Fenway Park sign. Red Sox fan. Not a bandwagon. Born in Massachusetts. Disco desk light. Alexa. No, shut up. Computer monitor for my computer desktop that I'm getting soon. Temporary laptop. Keyboard. Mousepad. Followed by mouse. Snow globe. Himalayan salt lamp. Penny paperweight. Glass chess set. I can't play with it because I'll break it. Navy paperweight. Glass Themo monitor. Baseball. Too many trophies to keep count. Chris Sale collectible bobblehead collected at a White Sox game. Certificate that I may be able to go to high school. Vroom vroom truck. Ute llama. Drawer 1. Drawer 2. Drawer 3. Drawer 4. Drawer 5. Drawer 6. Carpet. Chair. Television. Laundry basket. Shoe rack 1. Shoe rack dose. Shoe rack trace. Rubik's Cube. Bookshelf. Speaker. Decision box. Window. With blinds. Closet door. Closet. Boxes. And hat. Clothes. Human. Subscribe. Subscribe and like for good videos.